Guys, it's huge, but not huge. So this is very nice. Boom! This is hibiscus. Yeah. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are eating an Ethiopian food here, and for the very first time, right here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. And you know what? I want to know two things. What can I actually get here? And most importantly, how much it will cost. But here's the kicker. After the meal, I'm taking you to one of the most beautiful places in Jeddah for sunset, 𝐼𝐚𝐿 Mosque. This place has been recommended by locals. That's why I had to come here today, because they said they're going to watch me. The total cost at the end might shock you. So you know what? Stay tuned. We're just going to go in to see what we're going to have. Let's go. So locals say this is one of the best Ethiopian restaurants in this city. And you know what, from the smell of it, I can see. So it's this huge, should I call bowl or plate that has been given to us. So this serves as a plate itself. And you scoop it and then use it. So try it, let's see. She's tasted it a little bit. She said it's a bit sour. I'm about to taste it. So this, I presume, I've asked them, but I think the language barrier is the problem. And it's the Doro Wots, which is, and Tibs. So I don't know which one is the Doro Wots and Tibs. So let me know, guys, in the comment which one I'm talking about. So this, which is a bit mashed meat. There's potatoes here. There's this green thing here. And if I'm right, I think this is tripe. I presume this is tripe. And I don't know this one, but I know this is meat, beef or lamb. And then this is hard, crispy It's nice. This is very nice. So it's been fried. This is very nice. We'll let you know how much you spend at the end of this video. Just stay tuned. We're going to try them and then give our honest review. So one thing is, I've been hinted that there's something special after the meal, which I am going to ask. Stay tuned. Guys, it's huge, but not huge. So this is very nice. Very tasty. And this is also very nice. So basically you tear a little bit and then take it with it and into your mouth it goes. It's my first time eating Ethiopian food or East African food. Listen, this is nice. I don't know what this is. Let me know in the comments. But what do you think?
It's a bit sour.
Yes, so it's a bit sour, but then I think it complements with the sauces. This is nice.
This is nice. This is nice.
Sorry?
I should try more stuff.
So this is very nice. This is sour. Very nice, very nice. I haven't tried this. Let me just try this one. Okay, yeah. Today we are going through this food. Well, so you see, when it soaks up the stew, it really becomes tender. It's soft.
Oh, it's soft.
Yeah. We've had, a fair deal of it. It's huge. We can't eat everything.
I feel like this one better.
Yeah. So I think, in all, I have about 3 that I like on there, with the green as well. Potato is fine, but I'm not a potato fan.
I like it.
You like potato?
It's like there's no taste.
There's no taste, yeah. And it's very soft. I don't know why it's yellow. Maybe it's not even potatoes. So let us know in the comments if it's not potatoes or it's potatoes. But I like it. The spiciest of them, I would say, I think is this one. Because I can taste, is this one that has been seasoned in stew. It's a bit spicy, which you need some water for. But I can hold, the spice sometimes. Yeah. So that's the most spiciest of them all. Yeah. Overall, I'll rate this. What's your rating?
Videos.
And we'll go and check the price because she thinks it's going to be 70 reals. So I am thinking it's going to be, let's say, 50 reals. So it's payment time. Let's see how much we are spending here. Hi. Oh, okay. So these are the costs. How much is ours? 32. Okay, paying with a card. So we have the coffee here, which is very, very tiny, a tiny cup. And we are going to taste it. I am going to taste it. See her reaction. I'm going to taste it to see how it goes because he was like, you need to taste our coffee as well if this is the first time you are trying out Ethiopian food. So you know what? See the steam? You see it?
Yeah, it's in the video.
And this is black Ethiopian coffee. Is coffee my thing? I'll say no. I'll stick with my coffee toffees and ice creams. But it's a bit different from the normal coffee in the shop. Yeah. But it's, bitter. Obviously, coffee is bitter. So, but it has this different taste to the normal coffees I've had before, like Nescafe and all that. It's not bad. 𝐼𝐴 Mosque, also known as the Floating Mosque, is a prominent landmark in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, known for its unique location on the Red Sea and its striking architecture. It was built in 1985, appears to float on the water at high tide, and features a combination of traditional and modern Islamic design elements. From spicy stews to sea breeze, it's time to wrap up the day. And you know what? This place is very beautiful, but today the sun has somewhat failed us because of the time we got here. But we still caught the glimpse of it. So we are on the promenade closer to 𝐼𝐴 Mosque, which is here. But we wanted to know what is really here. And you know what? There are restaurants around. There are many things, activities that you can find around. Oh, okay, they're taking photos. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Oh, wow. And this beautiful, colorful fountain here. Oh. The color is amazing. I hope you can see it. It's beautiful. And there are, mini arcades here that children will be enticed to have mini restaurants as well. So this is a mini arcade, I will say, because when the child is able to do it, they will grab something. But most of these things, sometimes you can't grab it. And that is Red Sea here. And this is the Al-Rahma Mosque. So this is it here in the distance. It is a mosque which locals and travelers alike visit often. It's a long corniche. I think it would take you about, because we were halfway and we had to walk 1 hour from the middle. So end to end, if I'm not exaggerating, you might take about 2 hours to walk on this corniche. If you know the right amount, let me know. This is lovely, guys. Wow. So it's a playground, but a sandy one. See, babies playing on there. I mean, wow, this is beautiful. It's beautiful. Everyone is having a nice time. And we are here enjoying the scenery and also the vibe of this place. It's amazing. This is what we have here behind us. So we are here at the Al-Rahma Mosque and we're trying to buy something. So today we spent only 32 reals. Let's see what we can spend here at boba tea. What are the types that you have? Sorry. Oh, so which one do you want? Boba tea milk, hibiscus. Oh, you know what? I want hibiscus. What do you want?
I think strawberry.
Strawberry, okay.
So one is strawberry, one is 21.
21. We've got our boba teas here, and this is what?
Strawberry.
Strawberry? No, maybe it's real strawberry, so yeah. And mine is hibiscus. You know what? I don't know if we can find a place to sit, but this is how the place looks. You see the sun is gone already, and there's a playground where kids are go-karting and all that. And this is behind us. I think we can sit on one of those things just to chill. Yeah, so we're going to taste it to see. Mine was 21 reals and hers is 25 reals. Yeah, so we're going to taste it. So poke it, no, like that. Through. Then, you see, boom! This is hibiscus. Yeah, it's nice. I don't think I can drink all, but it's very nice. Is yours nice?
I think it's pretty good. It's really chicken.
What's that? Oh, is that the?
The other one is like.
Oh, mine.
Yeah, pops.
Oh. Guys, we ended the evening with this beautiful drink. I'm so happy. Is it nice? See the way she's drinking mine? Is mine nice? Mine isn't so sweet. Yeah, it's normal hibiscus, yeah. Not much sugar or whatever.
Strawberry.
Oh, it pops into my mouth.
But this one's chewy, that's why I did that.
Ooh, okay. If I like this, boba tea queen. I buy it, I don't drink it. My first time, and I like it. It pops. Wow. You want to try it?
Chewy.
Yours is chewy.
I don't like chewy.
Oh, you don't like it? You want to take mine? No. No. Taste it. Otherwise, you'll drink all. It's nice.
This one's like sick. Because it might be too sweet.
Drink some. It's so hot, and to cool down with this, we are just in heaven right now.
I really do like the milk.
Oh, the milk,
I
yes.
saw someone did drank the milk and they left the pearls.
Then you can do that. So this is it. It's nice. From boba tea, B-O-B-A-T-Y. The hibiscus and strawberry milk is very nice as well. I like mine because it's not sugary. Yes.
It's something that you can
Drink, exactly.
But this is like after a while.
You are tired of it.
But
Yeah.
I think I'll be able to be proud of myself when I finish it.
When you finish it. Hello. Cheers. Big flavors, small bill, and a view that money can't buy. That's Jeddah for you. If you enjoyed this video, hit like. So we are done here with our beautiful drink. In all, we spent 83 riyals, which is under my budget, 100 riyals for the day. We didn't have any activities done here because I didn't ask for any activity. Next time we're going to do that. This price or a cost which is affordable to you to eat a meal, have a good drink, and walk on a beautiful promenade like this? Let me know in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video. It is salam from us, or peace unto you from Jeddah. We love you guys. Thank you for your support. Ooh, wow. He's enjoying his cat. Bye.